Okay, so here's what we've got. We got severe warnings, and the storms are kind of somewhat moving in my direction. The most recent warning that DVN issued was a tornado warning for Scotland. The most recent severe warning they issued was for Jefferson. We can look at that. And if you notice here, it says it's moving east, but they're kind of moving slightly northeast, as DMX also continues a severe warning. You can see some of the warnings here. They are moving east, but Mason told me that they're moving slightly northeast instead of east. We'll just have to wait and see what happens. I'm just kind of going with the flow. ILX severe warning for Crawford. We'll just have to wait and see what happens with these storms. I don't think we're going to get hit. We'll just have to wait and see. Look out, we got a considerable severe warning for Hancock, Jefferson, Lee, Van Buren, Clark, and Scotland. It's too far south for me to get it, but it's there, and I don't like how it's looking for them. I gotta put batteries in my CL100. Hold on, give me a minute. Let's get the channel 7 relay. I think I was too late. And I also should have got the 106.5 relay, but I missed that. And we're just getting started. So we're just getting started, and I'm already off to a great start. But I did get the warning. What is this for in here? Des Moines, Henry, Jefferson, Keokuk, Louisa, and Washington. SVA. Time to get my radios going.
A chance of showers with a slight chance of thunderstorms in the evening. Then a slight chance of showers after midnight. Lows in the lower 60s. Chance of precipitation 30%. For Monday, partly cloudy. A chance of showers in the afternoon. Highs in the mid-80s. Chance of precipitation 30%. For Monday night, mostly clear.
SVA 415. I will show you the watch. Here it is.
Highs in the upper 80s. Tuesday night, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-60s. And for Wednesday, mostly sunny.
It'll relay at 10:35 a.m.
Then partly cloudy with a chance of showers in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 80s. Chance of precipitation 50%. You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio, KZZ 55, serving Oregon, Dixon, Sterling, Rock Falls, and Mount Carroll. The current time is 10:34 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of north central Illinois, northeast Illinois, and northwest Indiana for today and tonight. Weather hazards expected. Elevated thunderstorm risk with an associated.
Here we go.
Thunderstorm watch number 415, affected until 5 p.m. or 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Vero, Cook, DeKalb, DuPage, Ford, Grundy, Iroquois, Kane, Kankakee, Kendall,
I heard I am, but I'll get it in a minute.
Marshall, McLean, Ogle, Vermilion, Whiteside, Will and Woodford, and the following counties in Indiana: Benton, Jasper, Lake, Newton, and Porter, and the following: Wilmette Harbor to Northerly Island, Illinois, Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, Illinois, Calumet Harbor, Illinois to Gary, Indiana, Gary to Burns Harbor, Indiana, and Burns Harbor to Michigan City, Indiana. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Let's go see what that was on IEM. Nothing. All right.
Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will broadcast severe weather alarm tones for Ogle, Lee, Carroll, Vero, and Whiteside counties. Standard broadcasts will be curtailed.
Severe watch 415 for me. I haven't seen the SPC product, so we can take a look at it. Nope, not there. Oh no! How the heck did that happen? I dropped my handheld.
County, southern Washington County, northeastern Jefferson County, until 11:45 a.m. At 10:57 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Contact, 11 miles south of Washington, eastern Georgia miles
My dog's in the way. Get out of the way. Sweet. Back downstairs with me. That's KCQQ.
Here, and I am.
This radio's fine, by the way. I dropped it, but it's all right. Henry, Jefferson, Louisa, and Washington.
Here's what you're missing.
$10.50. They don't usually do this.
The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Henderson County, northwestern Warren County, southwestern Rock Island County, Mercer County, northeastern Des Moines County, eastern Louisa County, southern Muscatine County, until noon. At 11:12 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Cranston to Elric Junctions in
We're getting to channel 7 of this.
moving east at 45 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles.
My dog's in the way again. Get out of the way. I only got the end again.
Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle
That's the end of it. Gotta get back inside quick. That's how hard it is for me to get warnings now, because my room's down here now. I have to run upstairs to get the distant NOAA weather radio relays. I still got the double relays though, that's nice. You got another Quad City severe warning. Scott's in it.
The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Rock Island County, northeastern Lister County, northwestern Henry County, central Scott County.
Yep. This crap's moving right in my direction.
Take cover now. Continuous cloud to ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rain.
Let's go inside. That's enough. Let's go inside and get the end of the 106.5.
And may lead to
Flash flooding.
Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Severe warning. It's for the Quad Cities proper. Not just Quad Cities warning area. Quad Cities proper. You'll see it here. Yep. Yep, they did it. Moderate there. That's for Peoria, Lincoln, Champaign, my future hometown for college. Meanwhile, we're still stuck in a slide. So that cell right there in the bottom left is what's moving toward us, but that's not even the worst of it, because if I pan out here, this is what the SPC was worrying about. That's a possible derecho right there. Anyways, Lincoln, but yeah, this might become a derecho event. This is what's moving toward us. This is what's going to move through the moderate area, which is about here. That's what they were concerned about. But a lot severe warning. Nope. Severe warning.
The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a
Severe thunderstorm warning for
Putnam County in north central Illinois, Eastern Bureau County in north central Illinois until 3 p.m. At 2:08 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Van Oren to Putnam, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Van Oren around 2:15 p.m. Florida around 2:20 p.m.
Florida.
Lamoille around 2:25 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Grenville, McNabb, Mark, Magnolia, and Standard. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
No time once again. What do we got? A tornado?
The National Weather Service
It's a tornado warning.
issues a tornado warning for northeastern Bureau County in north central Illinois until 2:45
What?
at 2:14 p.m.
How the hell did this happen?
Producing a tornado was located over Long Oil, or 8 miles west of Mendota, moving east at 20 miles per hour.
The tornado warning there.
Tornado.
Hold on.
Radar indicated rotation. Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Cherry around 3:25 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
LaSalle and Lee.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern LaSalle County in north central Illinois, southeastern Lee County in north central Illinois until 3:15 p.m. Northwestern LaSalle County in north central Illinois, southeastern Lee County in north central Illinois until 3:30 miles per hour. At June 19 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Long Oil, or near Mendota, located at 30 miles per hour. Expect damage to 60 miles per hour winds.
Figure this was possible. It's a tour possible too.
This includes Tri-County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area.
See if Sam has anything to say about it. Nope. I thought Sam would be on there as the DJ saying something about the storm, but no. Nothing there.